You may think that silence is just the absence of noise, but silence is much more than that. Silence is a powerful tool that can transform your life. Silence can help you calm your mind, focus your attention, and connect with your inner self. Silence can help you listen to your intuition, your emotions, and your true desires. Silence can help you heal your wounds, release your fears, and embrace your potential. But silence is not easy to achieve in this noisy world. We are constantly bombarded by sounds, distractions, and opinions. We are constantly pressured to speak, to act, to impress. We are constantly afraid of being judged, misunderstood, or ignored. That's why we need to practice silence. We need to create space and time for ourselves to be silent. We need to turn off our devices, tune out our surroundings, and shut down our thoughts. We need to breathe deeply, relax our body, and open our heart. When we do that, we will discover the real truth of being silent. We will discover that silence is not a weakness, but a strength. Silence is not a passive state, but an active one. Silence is not a lack of expression, but a form of expression. Silence is the language of the soul. Silence is the voice of God. Silence is the source of wisdom. And silence is the way of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the supreme master of silence. He is the embodiment of peace, power, and purity. He is the destroyer of evil, ignorance, and illusion. He is the creator of harmony, bliss, and enlightenment. Lord Shiva teaches us how to be silent in the midst of chaos, how to be still in the midst of action, how to be detached in the midst of attachment. Lord Shiva shows us how to use silence as a weapon against our enemies, how to use silence as a shield against our troubles, how to use silence as a bridge between ourself and our soul. But Lord Shiva also shows us how to break the silence when it is necessary, how to roar like a lion when injustice prevails, how to dance like a warrior when destruction is inevitable, how to chant like a sage when liberation is possible. Lord Shiva shows us how to balance silence and sound, how to harmonize stillness and movement, how to integrate detachment and involvement. Lord Shiva shows us how to be silent and sound at the same time, how to be still and moving at the same time, how to be detached and involved at the same time. Lord Shiva shows us how to transcend duality and attain unity, how to transcend limitations and attain freedom, how to transcend mortality and attain immortality. So don't be afraid of silence. Don't avoid it. Don't resist it. Embrace it. Practice it. Master it. Stay silent, and it will change your life. Stay silent, and it will bring you closer to Lord Shiva. Stay silent, and sound like Lord Shiva.